Hi, I'm Ruben from THEO Player. Now, THEO Player is more of a scale-up in this competition or in this day. It was founded in 2012 and we were looking into, okay, what can this company actually do? And eventually we saw there is like a big problem. It's still very, very difficult today to play back video on every type of device. And that was, back in 2012, even a bigger problem. It was impossible to play your video on your iPhone, or, well, it was possible, but you always had issues when you're starting to share. Well, THEO Player solved this issue by being the first launched video player on HTML5, and this allowed us to do this. We were able to find or to sign up 150 customers over 40 countries, including companies like Twitter, NBC, Swisscom, in Netherlands, Telegraaf Media Group, CNN, Telenet, too many to name, but all big names. Now, why is this important for you? Today, probably you all have a solution in place. It might be working, but maybe it's still giving a mediocre solution or user experience. Well, therefore, if we look at the time spent on video, you see that it is increasing dramatically. And also the time that people are spending on television sets is decreasing, so supporting these type of devices is more and more important. That's why we support all the platforms that are out there for over-the-top streaming. So what is THEO Player? If you're doing live streaming, if you're doing over-the-top streaming, your technical guys will know that you're doing HLS or dash streaming. We have one player that can use both of the protocols in one place. So that's pretty unique. And we support all browsers, all kind of devices. Furthermore, we see that media companies more and more want to integrate with extra services. Look at this wall alone. You have all kind of companies that are offering you new type of analytics, new type of engagement tools, everything you can imagine. THEO Player understands this, and we are building partnerships. Today we have over 40 partnerships and integration possibilities with our player, and we are supporting more and more of these integrations on a daily basis. Furthermore, we are innovating. We believe that, okay, what we can offer you is the best video player experience. Everything else can be done by other people. So here we have installed a video innovation lab with 15 engineers that are really looking into improving our player. And this led to our 1 minute of fame, worldwide fame, at Google I/O, which I will show you now.
Another thing we need to talk about is startup. Make sure it plays back quickly. This is a proof of concept done by THEO Player, and what they're doing, we'll wait for it to come back in a second, what they're doing in the first section here is they're using service workers to pre-cache the first few seconds of video as the user browses the page. So here we go. The user is browsing their page, and eventually what they'll do is they'll select a video and start playing. But they don't wait for that indicator to get ready for video playback. Even while the user is here, they've already pulled down the playlist or the presentation description. And you notice on the left, where it's been pre-cached, the video playback starts right away. On the right, it takes a few seconds. And in fact, if you're pre-caching with service workers, in their example, they were able to get playback from over 3 seconds before the video started down to about 100 milliseconds. So service workers really can make a
difference.
So the reason why I showed you this is because this is important for our company. This is what founded our company, the technological innovation. So if you want to have a chat about it, how you're able to sign Periscope, Twitter, feel free to talk with me after this presentation.